music stops, you stop completely any form of movement, breathing, Charis. Pero pwede po kayong huminga. Huwag po kayong gagalaw, pwede naman huminga. If your mother is waving at you, you can wave at her later. Tingnan nga natin yung mga gumagal. Oh! May parang nasa harapan ako nakita ang gumalaw ah. Pabibigyan ba natin yun?
I'm so sorry.
Parang...
Killer Clown in the back, I saw you move.
May gumagalaw ba dito?
But you did so good. It's fine. You may not go back to your proper seats po.
Wala akong gagalaw ah.
Nag-move po. Ayaw na nyo makipag-out sa game.
Ayaw. Siya. Sige. Huwag lang ga...
Oh, I saw someone move there.
Me too.
It's time for you to go stage. You move. I'm so sorry, Anak. Yeah, I saw
okay, you can still stay and dance, pero you're out na. You're out na. Okay na yan. Wala nang gumagalaw. Sige na nga.
Gumagalaw pa sa stage pa rin.
Yung iba po dyan, out na po sila. Sige po kuya, you may play the music.
Okay.
Yung iba dyan na, out na kayo, pero sumasayaw pa rin. You love the energy.
Oh, ano to?
Ano to? Parang mga statue sila, Kuya Zam eh. Parang walang humihinga dyan ha. Huminga kayo ha.
Ay, nag-move ka na naman. I'm so sorry but you're out. Tayo na pa to out.
Hindi ako po to ha. Bumalik lang po. Mahilig lang sumayaw.
Okay, how about this Ate Sai? So since there's still a lot of kids in stage, and of course I feel like this will be a never-ending game, how about let's pick the top 5 best dancers we've noticed? So para ma-end na yung game. So, with that being said, me and Ate Sai, we have been observing every kid in stage.
So, please show your best dance moves po, ha?
And now show the very best dance move.
Dance leader. Pakitaan na tayo ng bilis dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, tingnan na po natin yung mga malagaling sumayaw dyan. Kumalalambot ang bewa. Keep dancing po. Keep dancing. No more like stopping.
Okay, please stop the music. We are now going to pick our top 5 best dancers. Okay, so
I want to remind every one of you who are on the stage right now that is currently for elimination, that there's many games po. Pwede pa po kayo manalo ng prize.
yes. So now we will pick the top 5 best dancers to participate in the very last round. So with that being said, who do we think?
There are so many good dancers on stage.
Yes. But I feel like it's obvious naman, diba?
It's obvious. Right, ladies and gentlemen, you guys saw.
It's time to call out our top 5 best dancers.
This is any order po, ano round?
Any order. So, first off, we have Kuya Naruto over here. You're one of the best dancers.
Yes.
You're
So please stay
stay stage, okay?
And then for me, Pirate po, you were a really good dancer. So
go at the back, so we're gonna be dancing later. Our third best dancer we have Rumi right over here. You're
yes. Let's give it a hand for our winner so far.
Since you're one of our top 5. Now, our fourth best dancer is we have Kuya Harry Potter there.
Harry Potter, come here. One last person, guys.
One last person now. It all comes down to this moment. With that being said, I feel like this kid deserves to be in the top 5 for the best dancers. So with that being said, we have Ate Princess over here.
Everybody, let's give a round of applause to our winners to all who have galing naman ang iba dyan, ha? Ito guys, match na talagang bumalik.
So, go back to your proper seats if you are not from the top 5.
And thank you so much to all the children who danced until their heart out.
Let's give it up to our top 5 best dancers! Okay, now.
Parents, big turn na po.
So your best dancers now top 5.
To the parents in the venue, please step out of the venue. The parents po, that mga nakatayo lang po, pwede po kayong umupo sa labas. Please, for this is for our children. This event was for our children, not for the parents po. Thank you.
Oh, okay, now remember one of you will be getting out. Oh, I think we saw someone move.
Really?
Yes, we have Ate Princess over here. I'm so sorry, Anak,
We're
but
so
you are
sorry,
out.
Ate
But you did so
Princess.
decent. I love your dance moves.
Okay, ba dyan? Pagkagalaw.
Stage, thank you so much. DJ, hit the music now.
Galing naman ng mga yan sumayaw. Yun yung ba yan, guys? Hey!
Okay,
Parang may nakita
let us
ako
see,
dun
let us
ah.
see.
Parang statues talaga sila, guys. Oh. Baka
Parang
hindi
statue.
gumagalaw. Parang hindi humihinga. Hinga kayo dun, oh. Baka naman.
Parang wala nagmo-move. Okay, DJ, hit the track again.
Galing naman ng mga mato. Baka hindi talaga humihinga.
Ay. May nag-move.
Ah?
Yes, I'm so sorry, but Kuya Pirate, I saw you move a bit. But you did so good. Thank you so much.
I was rooting for you.
We now have our top 3 dancers. DJ, hit the music and dance now.
Ooh, who will win? Is it Harry Potter, Naruto, or Rumi? What? Wait!
May nag-move, may nag-move.
Parang-
May nakita ko nag-move, may nakita ako. I'm so sorry. Kuya Naruto, I saw you move. You are out. Thank you
Our
so
last
much.
2 contenders!
Now,
For Rumi and Harry Potter!
give it up for Harry Potter and Rumi, everyone.
Come on, let's give them a round of applause, everyone!
Hit the music now, dance. Show your very best
This
dance
is the
move.
dance song of the century!
Wow.
Wow!
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey! Wait!
I saw someone move, sadly.
Oh my gosh! This is the final death.
This is the final.
This is the final, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final.
Sadly, I have saw one of them move. So with that being said, na parang bang Miss Universe.
Drum roll, please! Who is gonna win?
I'm so sorry, Rumi, but I saw you.
Oh wait, ladies and gentlemen.
But you
We have
both won
decided
2
to give
prizes.
everyone
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Balakpakan naman ng mga
Mag-picture na lang our 2 winners. Harry Potter and Rumi.
And Harry
Stand
Potter.
beside each other. Yes.
Wala kami. Oh.
Sama din kami. Ay, okay, sige.
Give it another round of applause for our 2 winners for the first game pa lang muna. So, ang third game, that is, ang ating third row po.
Okay.
Third and fourth row po. Please stand
Third and
up.
fourth row.
Mga gusto sa mga third. Yes, you. You, come on. We also, to our parents na gusto kong pakainin ng mga anak, we have our discount 30% off at ladies and gentlemen, please give us a moment. Please listen po. Everyone, listen.
Listen, please settle down. So, before we continue our festivities for this event, I would like to announce that
to our parents po and to the people that are hungry, we have a 30% discount at that restaurant po. Sorry, hindi po namin mabasa. But that restaurant po yung
Antochitos.
Yun po. It's a 30% discount.
So if you're hungry, if your child is hungry, you can order there since we have a 30% discount.
Okay, everyone listen. Who wants to trick or treat? Who wants to trick or treat?
Who wants to trick or treat? Children, settle down. So, before we continue our festivities for tonight,
okay, everyone listen. I want to see ears. I want to see ears. Ano, Mom? I want to hear. Bring your baskets, okay?
bring your baskets and
I want to see everyone listening. I don't want to see everyone talking, okay?
okay, please form one single line here.
One
Form
single
one
line. The line starts here. To all the people who want to trick or treat, please follow the line.
Okay, before we start our trick or treating, we would like to implement our very own house rules. So please,
Listen, please. I don't want to repeat myself. Listen.
yes. So first off, one of our very own rules is number 1 is we need to make our registration and stuff. So
Everyone, pay attention please. You have to give attention. Wala po kayong ganito. Listen. Is everyone listening?
So first off, all participants must register at the entrance of doors, and each child will receive a stub. So this is the stub we are looking for each group.
Does everyone have their stubs up? Patingin nga ng mga stub niya.
Patingin ang mga stub niyo.
Ano ka ng stub, parents? Baka po hawak na yung stub na anak niyo. Okay, very good. So parents, we're gonna lead the line, ladies and gentlemen. So, lahat ng tayuan na po bring your baskets, your stuff, 2 things. Your stuff in the basket, alright? I want to see everyone from 1 line. I don't want to see 4 lines, I said 1. Alam niyo naman 1, di ba? 1 line.
Okay, so first things first.
For junior po, kinder and grade 1, pwede na po i-access yung mga anak nyo going to the line po dito sa labas. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna go trick or treating. Who's ready to trick or treat?
Please find a single line here.
Parents, you can come with your children po. Follow the line.
Don't run, don't
No
run.
run, no pushing.
Only 1 line.
No pushing, no signature.
1 line, 1 line, please.
1 line, follow the line. Follow the leader.
We walk, let's say our house rules for this part, okay?
Be careful, everyone.
Our second rule is, of course, to say trick or treat. Visit the booths for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to avoid crowding.
We're starting po, parents. We're starting there in the restaurant po.
And make sure to present your stop in every booth.
Ito po, your paper. Yes, very good.
Number 3, rule for collecting treats. Remember to say trick or treat in every booth. And of course, you need to say it politely and please form one line.
One line! I didn't say 4. Alright?
Okay. And do not return to the same booth for extra candies. Remember, honesty is the best
Policy!
Yes. And of course, for safety reminders, please walk.
Walk! Do not run, do not jump, do not skip. Sinabi ko namin, walk!
Remember, one line ha, one line, one line.
Alright, don't forget your stops. People, your stops ko ah.
Okay, and remember, stay in your groups or with your parents or guardians so you won't get lost, okay?
Yes, remember if you have a buddy, please stay with your buddy. And
Okay, and of course, check your treats with your parents or guardian before eating, remember. Okay, kids, get ready. It's time for trick-or-treating. Visit each spooky station booth and don't forget the magic words, which is
trick or treat! Be polite po!
be safe, share smiles, and enjoy your treats, everybody.
Remember to say trick or treat po ah. Luwing po to. Just giving out.
We also have another booth here, di ba?
We have another group on registration table. So many po binayaran niyo po. Remember po, there are 7 booths. 6 or 7? 6, 7. Booth number 2, wala pong tao! Punta na po kayo sa booth number 2.
Walang tao dito! Parang ano?
We have, ano po here? We have gummy burgers. Gummy burgers. Sino gusto yung gummy burgers?
We have in booth number 1,
Who wants gummy?
we have candies in booth number 1, and in booth number 2, we have candies.
Oh, remember po, we have in Antonitos, we have a discount 30% off po. Pag nagpupunta po kayo, pwede po kayo pumili doon sa discount. Buto po, walang tao! Mga gusto ng candy dyan! Buto! We have Buto! Booth 1, registration table, wala pong
Remember,
tao!
there's no empty
Wala
booth,
pong
so
tao!
please get your candies and don't forget to say trick or treat.